I've been a director for Camp Invention for over 15 years. I know, that's a long time. But why do I continue to do it? Well, beyond the academics, the curriculum, the amazing materials that they send to you, the stipend, and the ability to send kids to camp, I absolutely hands down do it because it is so much fun.
Some of the things that I really love about Camp Invention is that it allows all of our students to be so curious and allows them to really explore a creative thinking process and allows them to be really innovative and solve in many different solutions and just learn lots of new and really interesting things while getting to create.
The program is so easy to run. When they say it is a turnkey program, it really is. They provide you the curriculum, they provide you the recruitment materials and flyers, they provide you all the promotional items that you might need. They even help you with the implementation of your camp, how to schedule.
Why should you become a director at Camp Invention? Well, it's an inspiring program, STEAM-related, keeps kids curious, hands-on. As an instructor, I was impressed with how well organized Camp Invention is, and the same happens as a director. They're very well organized. I have a great senior manager who helps me every step of the way.
Our own children are campers at Camp Invention, and we both also have older children who are now coming back to be leaders in training, and that's really cool to see.
Yeah, because they loved it so much.
Mm-hmm.
We also love seeing all the community members and connecting with them and the parents.
Not to mention the stipend is pretty awesome. So we get paid for our work at Camp Invention pretty much right before we go back to school. So it's really fun to be able to use that money to go on a little vacation or pay for school clothes. So if you're thinking about being a director,
I highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Camp Invention has been a huge part of my family's life over the past 10 years, ever since my first 2 children were invited to participate. Since then, we moved across the country and made it a priority to bring Camp Invention with us. We established a location at our new home here in Silicon, Washington. My children are now LITs, and I went from just dropping off my children to becoming a camp director. I've worked with some of the most inspirational teachers, some amazing volunteers, and I have seen children of all skill levels grow and persevere because of this amazing program.